there, you can't come around.
Turn the beat up for me, nigga.
Stay over there, you can't come around.
I fuck around and have to gun him down. I've been thinking to myself like this shit is wild, and he'll walk 100 rounds before he walk me down.
Stay over there, you can't come around.
I fuck around and have to walk him down. I've been thinking to myself like this shit is wild, and he'll walk 100 rounds before he gun me down.
Can't hop in the load if you ain't tryna stretch nothing. No stocks, we keep poles longer than a stretch hammer. Niggas talking about beef but never stretch nothing. You know when to come to Pavae X something out. Fuck hoes to get money through the drought. They chose a 9 to 5, but we chose a different route. If a nigga go to jail, then you know we getting bonded out. My brother keep us for life, ain't no bonding out. We lost a couple, but they done lost a few too. Checking the scoreboard like what they really trying to do. Them niggas bitches, so what they really trying to pull? About my brothers, then I'm sending shit through the roof. And since we lost Ray Lee, shit ain't been the same. But I'ma still remain the same in the same lane. 10 toes down, taller nigga never change. I just started a couple nights and walked through the rain.
Stay over there, you can't come around.
I fuck around and have to gun him down. I've been thinking to myself like this shit is wild, and he'll walk 100 rounds before he walk me down.
Stay over there, you can't come around.
I fuck around and have to walk him down. I've been thinking to myself like this shit is wild, and he'll walk 100 rounds before he gun me down.
Walk a couple miles in my shoes, I wouldn't bet it, bro. A step and check his kicks, and bitches ain't got no heels on them. I'm from the trenches with niggas banging them numbers every summer, pressing play on anything you don't feel, homie. Niggas lying, they ain't really out here sliding. The whole squad grab skis like the snow on the horizon. Trap booming, can you hear it, nigga, now? Like Verizon dude, riding with a chop, clip big enough to drive into. I miss, bro, we lost a hit that got me twisted up, but we ain't down. Flu squad will leave you sick as fuck. Call the plug on the love, need a brick of drugs. Yeah, he gon' supply. They love the way that I flip it up. Rifle leave a nigga in puzzle pieces, now pick him up. Pop a double back, probably catch you a nigga living, cuz you know Skin real 3-0. He a fool in the plumber, cause he got more tools than CPO. And I'm out. Stay over there, you can't come around.
I fuck around and have to gun him down. I've been thinking to myself like this shit is wild, and he'll walk 100 rounds before he walk me down.
Stay over there, you can't come around.
I fuck around and have to walk him down. I've been thinking to myself like this shit is wild, and he'll walk 100 rounds before he gun me down. I'm Skin30, ain't no telling me shit. I lost Pity and Brandon, that just deep as it gets. Tell that nigga walk me down if he feel I'm a bitch, but I highly doubt that, cause he know how I get. I'm from the 30 slow, nigga. We don't straddle the fence, stay off my little cousin 10, that's his first offense. I fuck hoes, I ain't never had love for a bitch, and that day I walked him down, I fell in love with the stick. If Nina hit my line, then you know it's a hit. And I always got it on me, ain't no way that I slip. Pavae, been my nigga since the day that we met. Thinking I turn my back, it's just a lack of respect. It's Brandon Land, Pity Crack always told me I'm next. Now my nigga gone, got me really thinking what next. Brandon Land, Pity Crack always told me I'm next. Now my nigga gone, got me really thinking what's next. Real 3-0.
Stay over there, you can't come around.
I fuck around and have to gun him down. I've been thinking to myself like this shit is wild, and he'll walk 100 rounds before he walk me down.
Stay over there, you can't come around.
I fuck around and have to walk him down. I've been thinking to myself like this shit is wild, and he'll walk 100 rounds before he gun me down.